This is Ice Cream Gecko, and in today's video we are going to take a look at Kopiko coffee candy. This video comes as a response to a viewer suggestion from quite a while ago, and I had trouble to find this locally in local stores, so I ended up having to buy this on Amazon. I bought this one and another packet with the cappuccino version of this for €10, €9.99. So this is apparently €5 here in Germany via Amazon. Okay, let us take a look around the packaging. World's number one real coffee hard candy asterisk. Packaging wise, it looks fine. Let's take a look at the back of the packaging. Zoom in on the ingredients lists in different languages down there. Here in additional languages, with the nutrition table down there too. Pause if we want to take a look at any of that, including the original quote-unquote nutrition facts right there. Yeah, looks-wise, it seems to be fine from the outside. Well within its best by date too, as we can see down here. So why not open up the packaging now and see what's inside. Lovely. So here we have them, the little individual coffee candies. I have seen some of these like packagings of the Kopiko, and sometimes it seems to be in some sort of like blister where you take out the individual ones. Sometimes it seems to be a bit soft, right? But these ones here are hard candy. Okay. Individually wrapped for, well, individual consumption, I guess. Let's open up one of them. See what's inside. Okay, here we go. It's brown. It looks like brown glass almost. It is hard, yes. Very similar to what it looks like on the packaging. Nice gloss to it. Let's see, can we cut through it? This is going to be dangerous. Ooh, we managed to do it though. So, this is what it looks like. Oh, it looks like flint almost, right? When you crack open flint, then it really looks like this. Let's see what this tastes of, or smells of first. Smells of coffee. Yeah, taste-wise. It's sweet. It's got a coffee flavor to it. Almost a caramelly sort of coffee flavor. Different than any of the other like coffee candies that I've ever had before. No, but it tastes quite alright. I thought that these would be a bit softer maybe, but it's called hard candy. I should have read the packaging, I guess. So, because I do like my teeth and I try to take care of them, I try to not bite down on this, and I'll see you in a few minutes when I have consumed this whole real coffee anytime, anywhere hard candy. They're the world's number one real coffee hard candy, I should say. Okay, I made it through one of these hard candies. I swallowed the last tiny bit. I couldn't wait any longer to share my opinion about this with you. No, I have to say that I'm surprised by it. I thought it was maybe a bit softer. Again, I should have read the packaging. I thought that they would be a bit bigger. They look very much like they do on the packaging, but somehow I thought it would be just a bit bigger than this. But flavor-wise, I have to say that I'm very positively surprised. Usually with these coffee candies, or just like the coffee chocolate, there's a certain coffee flavor to it, yes, but the aftertaste with some of these like milk chocolate thingies doesn't really sit well with me. This particular coffee candy, I have to say, has got a lovely blend of coffee flavor to it and this sort of caramel flavor as well. Overall, it just amalgamates in a very wonderful way, and I really do appreciate the flavor of this caramelly coffee flavor. So if you are into coffee flavor hard candy, then definitely try this out if you haven't already. And if you have tried it out already, let me know what you think about it, because I really do enjoy this. And I'm happy that I got a bigger bag of this. So I've got plenty of little coffee candies to enjoy in the near-term future. And yeah, I'm really liking this so far. So as a rating from 1 to 10, I would give this probably an 8 or 9 out of 10. I really do like this. Let me know how many you have to eat before you actually feel the caffeine. Maybe I'm having just way too much coffee on a regular basis for me to notice anything in this regard, apart from actually just chugging down the powder in and of itself. But so far, just as a candy with coffee flavor, I really do appreciate it. And I think this is where I'm going to end this particular video. If you've got a question or a video suggestion, leave it in the comment section down below. And if you want to see more videos just like this one, feel free to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope I'm going to see you soon. Until then.